Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to turn off auto renewal on Wix. I'll be doing this on the web version of Wix. First, navigate to your premium subscriptions page. You can access this from your account dashboard or settings area. Once you're there, you'll see a page that displays all your active subscriptions and plans with their details. On this page, find the specific premium plan or subscription you want to stop from auto renewing. You'll see a list of all your active subscriptions in the main area. Each one displays with the plan, name, renewal, date, and some action icons on the right side. Next to the plan you want to cancel, click the three dots icon. This is the More Actions menu. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with several options. From that drop-down menu, click Cancel Plan. This will bring up a confirmation pop-up. In the confirmation pop-up, click Cancel Now. Depending on your subscription, you might need to provide feedback about why you're canceling, and then click Cancel Now again on a second confirmation screen. Keep clicking through until you see a final confirmation message. Once you're through all the confirmations, you should see a message on screen that confirms auto renewal is disabled. Your subscription status will also update to show that your plan will expire on a specific date without renewing. After turning off auto renewal, your premium plan will stay active until the end of your current billing period. It just won't renew automatically after that. If you change your mind, you can turn auto renew back on any time before the subscription expires. There's an important exception to this. If you turn off auto renewal within the first 14 days of purchase, your plan gets canceled immediately and you receive a full refund. So the timing of when you cancel makes a difference in how it's processed. If you purchased other services through Wix like a domain or business email, those have separate auto renewal settings. You'll need to turn off auto renewal for each of those individually using the same process I just showed you. And there we go, auto renewal turned off. Thanks for watching. See you next time.